Are you ready to discover a brand new way to generate income using social media? I've got something exciting to share with you. Imagine making at least $6,000 monthly without showing your face. Yes, you heard that right. With videos taking less than 10 minutes to create, you could be making a whopping $234,000 in a month. And even if you don't have access to a TikTok shop available in your region, stay tuned as I have a trick that could work for you. Now you might be thinking, is this too good to be true? Well, I have done my research, and videos in this niche are raking in more than $30,000 a month. It's possible thanks to TikTok's algorithm. Now, how can you get started? It all begins with finding the right product. And here's a hint, supplements tend to sell like hotcakes. But don't worry, I've got more tips and tricks up my sleeve. So, stick around till the end of the video to unlock the secrets to success. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Get ready to change your life and start earning serious money with social media. The first thing on the list is to find a product, but not just any product. The one you choose will determine whether you make it big or not. I've noticed that supplements tend to sell particularly well. This could be due to people's massive interest in taking care of their health. Take your time doing your market analysis. Once you've found the right product, it will be time to get familiar with it. You can't sell something you don't know, so make sure you figure out the product's key features or ingredients. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 Steps to 6-Figure Blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off. Now that you know it's time to write the script for the video, you must pay close attention to it, as this will later be used to generate an audio clip. I'll head over to Google Docs to start creating the script. This step is crucial to attracting potential buyers. It needs to entertain and grab people's attention right away. This is not always the easiest thing on TikTok, where the attention span tends to be lower than on other platforms. Let's look at this video for reference.
These are the 3 dangerous side effects of taking Shilajit every day. First off, you will be sprinting to the bathroom as you begin to experience the famous Shila shits, as Shilajit actively helps in the removal of toxins.
As you can see, it opens with a hook or a line that generates curiosity, making the viewer want to continue watching, and it's related to a problem. So to create a great script, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask for the benefits of the product I want to promote. The product I'm choosing is Mila Mia-More 15-Day Cleanse, which has been gaining a lot of popularity in the health community and helps detoxify the body. So my hook is going to be, ready to reboot your system? Try the Mila Mia-More 15-Day Cleanse and feel the difference. I'll keep doing this for the rest of the benefits. Now, I want to focus on how to present my winning product. For that, I'll write, embrace a healthier, more vibrant you with Mila Mia-More's 15-Day Cleanse. Order now and begin your journey to better health and well-being. Get it today using the TikTok shop link below. If you look closely, I made sure to separate all these lines. The intention is to use these same lines in an optimal way to generate AI images. To get started, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to make an ultra-high resolution image in 3D of insert here what you want to generate. For the first line I wrote, ready to reboot your system. So, I'll ask the chatbot to create an image of an energized person. The more emotional the photo looks, the better, because that will make the viewer feel like it's relatable content. Not all the results will be the best, so if you're not satisfied with the result, simply click here, and a new image will be generated. Implementing the next benefit. Cleanse supports digestive health, ensuring you feel light and refreshed. So I thought I'd tell ChatGPT to create a person who is bloating and feeling discomfort. And that's it. Now, all I must do is keep creating these images until I'm done. Creators in this niche simply put these photos together and promote a product. But the big trick is to keep each photo under 3 seconds. Longer than that can cause people to lose interest and scroll away. Once you've gathered all the necessary photos, upload them to a Google Drive folder. The next step is to create an audio component for our project. To achieve this, you can utilize a voice-over platform such as ElevenLabs, which you may be familiar with. I'll simply copy and paste my script into this section, and then I need to select a suitable voice for the audio. Unfortunately, the default voice may not be ideal. Consider using a popular voice-over artist like Adam, who has gained widespread recognition on social media. His voice is currently in high demand and has been featured in numerous successful videos. When you are satisfied with your audio recording, you can export it and drag it back into your Google Drive folder. Next, I'll move on to the video editing process. One popular option is CapCut, a user-friendly video editor. To get started, log into CapCut and click the Create New button. Make sure to select the correct size for your video, as it will be used on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Once you've opened your project, you must upload the audio file from your ElevenLabs recording. After that, start adding in the images created using ChatGPT. Keep each image brief, around 1 or 2 seconds long, and ensure they match what the AI voice is discussing. One important detail to consider is that the product must be mentioned at the end of the video. Therefore, you'll need to include visuals of the product in your final cut. You can use screenshots from the product link, or search for other videos showcasing the product, and use screen recording software to capture those visuals. Now that you have all your B-roll footage and voiceover in place, it's time to add some visual flair to make your video more engaging. To do this, you'll need to add transitions between your clips. This will help your video flow smoothly and avoid feeling like a static slideshow. CapCut offers a range of transition options, including slide transitions, wipes, and even wobbles. I am choosing this one for this project. Once you've added all your transitions, you'll have one final step before exporting your video: adding captions. Fortunately, CapCut has a built-in caption feature that allows you to generate captions quickly and easily. Select the Auto Captions option and let the AI do its thing. While it's convenient to use AI-generated captions, it's always a good idea to review the transcript carefully to ensure accuracy. In general, I recommend keeping captions concise and focused on the key points you're trying to convey. You can display captions word by word or line by line, but avoid using multiple lines of text simultaneously. This will help keep your audience's attention focused on the center of the screen. Once you've chosen your caption style, you can export your video and see how it turned out. And there you go.
Ready to reboot your system? Try the Melamia 15 Days Cleanse and feel the difference. Say goodbye to bloating and discomfort. Our cleanse supports digestive health, ensuring you feel light and refreshed. Feel more energetic and vibrant as toxins are flushed out.
In a short amount of time, you can create a successful online business from the comfort of your own home. However, I understand that not everyone can access the TikTok Shop feature, which can be frustrating. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. If you have the skills to create engaging videos, you can partner with someone with access to TikTok and split the profits. This way, both of you can benefit from this opportunity. Hey, before you go, check this out. I've got another video on your screen right now that's perfect for you. It's all about multiplying your income in ways you might not have considered. If you found today's tips helpful, I'm sure you'll find the next one even more exciting. Give it a click. I promise it's worth your time.